Hi and welcome. In today's video, I will be working in one area in my home, the primary bedroom. I'll be cleaning, putting away 2 different Bath & Body Works hauls, and adding a bit of fall decor. If this is something that interests you, please stick around and watch the process and result. Having said that, let's get this done.
Another kind, on my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb, like no one else. You're too much to calm me down.
If you've been here before, you know that I always start with my bed. In today's case, I am going to take off the linen, give it all a good wash, and then remake the bed. Did you catch what I did there? I forgot to clean from top to bottom, so I had to go back and clean the nightstand because I wanted to catch any dust that might have fallen while I was vacuuming the lampshade. Let me take this moment to make a proper introduction. Hi, I'm T, a married mom of 5. 4 are young adults who are not in the home anymore, and we're still raising our 9-year-old who is halfway to adulthood. On this channel, you will see cleaning motivation, DIY home improvement, and room makeovers. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you are a returning viewer or a subscriber, I'd like to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Your continuing support means more than you'll ever know. On that note, I'd like to thank 2 special viewers for their support, Jeanette Vega and Norma Alvarez. Thank you, ladies, for tuning in so often and always taking the time to leave a comment. It is helping to build a community around here, so I appreciate that.
I'm having a hard time not doing
If you are enjoying this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel in the background.
Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. Chasing highs, you need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. My mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better.
Listen, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking that's an awful lot of stuff that she bought at Bath & Body Works, but let me tell you something. I bought 20 wallflowers plus some spray sanitizer for a total of $54.08. That's because I combined 2 coupons with the sale. So the wallflowers were on sale for $2.95 each. I had a coupon for free hand sanitizer, and I also had a coupon for 25% off the total purchase. So, see, there was a sale. It was a good one, and I took advantage of it. You would have done the same.
here you see me going through the motions, acting like I can actually fit all of these purchases into this cabinet. That's not going to happen. I tried, I fit some of them, but I ended up having to put the remaining products somewhere else.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe.
So interesting story. Just when I thought, girl, you have put fall decor all over this house, I realized I have not. So when you add up all of the living spaces in our house, then you add the deck and the porch, the foyer, the hallway on the second floor, and the hallway in the basement, there are actually 20 rooms, 17 rooms, and 3 other spaces. 20 spaces to decorate, and I think I've only done about 5 or 6. So I have not overdone my house for fall. I'm gonna pat myself on the back now.
Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. All
As you can see here, instead of doing the vacuuming myself, I decided to let one of the robots have a little bit of fun in here.
Just at the right time, those little moments are
Well, we got it done. Thank you for following along as I reset my primary bedroom for the upcoming week. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. Also, if you are not a current subscriber but you'd like to see this kind of content in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.